Hey, the content used in this video is intended for educational and informational purposes only. All rights to the images, music, clips, and other materials used belong to their respective owners. I do not claim ownership over any third-party content used in this video. Let's get to the video, dog. I'm on the side of the damn road, bro. So I gotta get this shit fixed, man.
Hey yo, baby D, get your little ass over here on the mic, man. Show these other little niggas they can't fuck with the dangerous crew, man. Spit that shit.
Shit on gold chain, gold glasses, prime time like Dion.
Hey, can't do the Quan, do the Dion. You hear me?
He don't speak on me, I don't compete with a peon. Flying a bundle like my name was Dion.
I'm headed to work this morning, right? I'm coming over the bridge from the Mississippi to Louisiana line right here, right? That's the bridge right there. That's the Louisiana sign right there. So when I'm topping the hill, everything goes black in the truck. In the Tahoe. I'm in the Tahoe, man. Trying to keep from driving the new school so much to work. And look what happened. All the lights went out. The car completely goes dead. I'm floating down the hill. Pop the hood on the truck. And this thing right here that completely burnt out. Now I done stripped it down now. I done stripped it down. But that's why it's important to always keep you some tools in your truck with you. Cause you don't never know what can happen. I ain't had no trouble out of this truck in so long, bro. But I changed this probably about 15 years ago. I changed this thing right here on this truck, and then it finally burnt out. I'd have been cutting on this right here, so that's why that looked like that. I had to strip it down, but I got to strip this down because the part that was on there was completely burnt on the end. So I done chopped that off. See, it's back to copper. So now I'm gonna get my tape and I'm gonna splice these two wires together, and everything should be back running. But this just goes to show you, man, with these vehicles, man, anything can happen, bro. That's why you gotta be, somewhat conscious about what's going on, know what's going on with a vehicle. Just don't be out here driving these suckers, man. You gotta know what to do to get them back rolling.
Message!
So I'm gonna put these two together, throw me some electrical tape on it, and we should be back cracking in a minute, man. I'm gonna keep you posted though. What time is it? 3:09. Now I was supposed to be at work at 3:15, man. Shit. Missing the bag, man. But hey, it is what it is. God don't make no mistakes. Look at that. Hope don't no alligator or nothing. Bigfoot come up out of these woods on me. Alright, pray for me. Pray for me. I'm on the I'm on the side of the road, man. Hey. It happens, bro. It happens. Hey, watch this. If you think I don't know what I'm talking about, now I done spliced the wire. Okay. Might need to try my hand in mechanic work, huh? What you think, huh? Okay.
Yes! Randy Watson! That boy is good. Good and terrible.
Keep sleeping on me. And another tip. Let me show you this too. Keep you a little flashlight in your vehicle so you can let the oncoming traffic know She got a stalled car.
Look. Dun, 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 dun.
I'm not already spliced away. Been on here so long, bro.
You just probably shocked us just now doing that.
Hell yeah, out of all days. Out of all time. And I came by and cranked the truck up yesterday.
Got to see him to work.
I already put my little PTO in. I called him time the truck cut off. And said, hey man, this is Brown. I ain't gonna make it this way. I said, oh man, you're hurting me, man. I said, I know, bro. I said, my doggone truck just stalled on me right here across the bridge, man. My battery wire burnt up. And I sent him a video of it, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So, I covered my square.
Oh, always.
So,
and you got use the PTO since you get paid for it. Ah.
Yeah. Ate a lot of my balance up. But I get that. I had like 14 hours of PTO.
Shoot, I think I got what, about 6? 4? I ain't gonna lie.
Bro, I was coming over the hill right there. And the whole truck went black.
Oh my God.
The whole truck went black. It was a car about a quarter of a mile behind me. I know they were like, what the hell is that doing?
Right, turn the lights off.
The whole truck went dead. I ain't had no steering or nothing. Thank God I was going down the hill and not up.
And see, I guess I didn't understand what was happening. I know you sent me the video. I was like, okay, I don't know what that is, but okay, I'm on my way. So when I come up here and I see just the little flashy light, I was like, what is that little flashy light?
Well, I'm glad you seen it.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? I was like, shit, man.
I said, I bet that might be him. I said, I know I can't see. You know, of course I can't see. Got a little bit closer. I said, okay, that's him. I see. I was like, what is the little flashy light for? I didn't know it was your battery with the cable that goes to your battery.
Yeah, man. Always keep you a flashlight in the whip.
Yeah, that was the only way I probably would have seen you. What was that little flashlight?
Nope. Nice. Should start.
Should I see the lights pop back on?
For sure. It's the wire that go to my computer. See this? It goes all the way around there too.
Oh, I see that.
And that's why when it burnt up,
everything went black.
yeah, split in half.
Wow.
Yep. I came in here and popped the hood, and the whole piece just broke apart. 2 different pieces.
Oh my goodness.
This piece here was burnt. You seen it?
Yeah. Good point.
Boy. So hell.
That's gonna hold it right there. Yeah. Might find out.
Let's see if it crank.
Moment of truth here. Hey. We back.
Hey, Boogie.
What's up, nigga? You feeling me, man? It's like a motherfucking spaceship, man. You got the, You feeling me yet, man? You got the gold BBSs on this motherfucker.
Hey. You a knife? Electrical tape? Some pliers or some wire skippers? And if you can, well, it's good. You know, maybe this one works.
Oh, there we go.
Right light.
Nice.
And that's how you save yourself outside the road. Peace.
Business owners, listen up. Wouldn't it be great to pick up a walkie-talkie, push a button, and just start talking to your staff?
Now tell me this ain't crazy, right? Last night before I went to work, I was watching the first 48 before I went to work. That's a brought home breakfast. But last night I was watching this episode called Death and Desire, the Desire Projects in New Orleans. And look what the video showed that I should have paid attention to last night. Watch this. You let me know if this was like some little low-key divine intervention. Somebody was trying to give me a message. Watch what it say. Did you see that? Hold on, let me go back and pause it for you. In case you missed it, bro. Look at what that say, bro. Mind you, I was watching this last night before I went to work. It says stay at home. What the heck? Am I tripping? Now I was watching this before I went to sleep, before I went to work, bro. I went to sleep on this, man. On this video, bro. I don't know, bro. I don't know. Maybe I don't have a relationship with God like I do, but I see numbers and everything. I see repeat numbers over and over again. I believe in angel numbers. I believe in all that stuff, so I don't know. I was so caught up in my worldly side that even when I see stuff like this, I still try to go against the grain just to go to work. You know, just because I'm so used to being dependable for people. But that could have very well have been a message right there. I watched it before I went to sleep, G. I don't know, man. Y'all let me know what y'all think. What y'all spiritual side with God like? Do he send you messages? I'm out. Peace.